Hey there, I'm Isabelle Paquin, and I help entrepreneurs grow their lists, their audience, and their sales using the power of Pinterest. I'm super stoked that you're here with me today. And this masterclass is especially about using Pinterest to grow your list, grow your sales, even if you have no followers, or maybe you have a few followers. By the way, followers do not matter on Pinterest. All right, so I'll talk a bit more about all of these great things as I'll jump into the presentation very quickly. But first, I want to make sure that you are in the right place, right? That this masterclass is right for you. So this masterclass is right for you if you are a course creator or you're a service provider or you're a coach, an expert. This masterclass will be best for you. Also, it's perfect if you have heard of the power of Pinterest. You're kind of interested. Some of your friends maybe have mentioned, oh, I'm getting so much traffic from Pinterest, but you're not too sure if it's right for your own business, not too sure how to go about it and how to use it. Then this masterclass will be of interest for you. And also, it's good for you if you've started using Pinterest, so you know a little bit more about Pinterest, but it's not working out, right? Like you can't figure out what's going wrong and why you're not driving more traffic from it. So either way, so let me know in the comments. Have you started using Pinterest? Yes or not? And just kind of introduce yourself as well. That will be very nice. So I get to know a little bit more about you. So tell me your name and where you're from. All right. So I'm not in the business of wasting your time. So let's jump right into the content. I've got some great information here that I want to share with you. Let me just make this a little bit nicer. Perfect. So how to grow your lists and sales using Pinterest, even if you have few or no followers. So the overview, what are we going to talk about today? Why Pinterest? How Pinterest really works. How does it really works? Is Pinterest right for your business? The best types of sales funnels for Pinterest, the 4 keys to success to getting traffic and growing your lists using Pinterest, the common mistakes, to avoid, and action steps for you to take today. Not tomorrow, not in a week or so, something very actionable that you can actually do today about using Pinterest. All right, so